To determine the maximum number of cables that can pass through a clamp, consult the manufacturer's specifications for the clamp. Typically, these specifications are printed on the clamp itself or available in the manufacturer's documentation. For example, a 3/4 inch clamp may be rated for a maximum of 4 number 10 AWG conductors, while a 1 inch clamp may be rated for a maximum of 12 number 12 AWG conductors. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, generally prohibits bundling multiple cables through a single clamp. There are exceptions. Cables with a common outer sheath, such as multi-conductor cables, can be bundled through a single clamp. Cables of the same size and length can be bundled through a clamp that is specifically designed for that purpose. It is not permissible to use a single metal staple to secure two cables to a stud. Each cable should be secured to the stud with its own staple or other approved method. To ensure proper cable management and meet code requirements, follow these best practices. Firstly, use clamps that are appropriately sized for the cables being used. Secondly, avoid bundling cables through a single clamp unless it is specifically permitted. Thirdly, secure each cable to a stud with its own staple or other approved method. Fourthly, leave sufficient slack in the cables to allow for future maintenance or repairs. And fifthly, label the cables for easy identification.